How to request a quote on Bricklink. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can request a quote on Bricklink. So if you think it's not possible, my word for it today is it is very possible. Just ensure you follow the steps that I'll be showing you in this video. The first step is to sign in into your Bricklink account. Once you're signed in, you'll be brought to the Bricklink's page. On this page, you can see the Riverside Scholars, you can see browse Lego items, you can see other options as well. Once you can see all of these, the next step is to select the item that you would like to add to your shopping cart. All right, you have to add an item to your shopping cart for you to be able to carry out this. So you can see the categories. So just select the one you want. Actually, for me, I'll be selecting Dora the Explorer. Note that this is an example. Okay, so just select which of them should I select. Okay, so I'll be selecting the Treasure Island now. So just select it. Okay, after selecting it, you'll be brought to the page where you see details about the product. You can see the item, like the year it was released. You can see what the item consists of. You can see, then once you can see all of this, the next step is to go to the top part of the screen and click on buy. And after clicking on buy, you'll be asked to select the exact one you want. All right, so far I've not seen any here. Okay, so let's just go back. Just go back. Okay, so I'll be selecting the second one now. 7331. All right, so after selecting it, I have to wait for the page to load. As you can see, still loading. Now that it has loaded, you can see the options here. So just click on buy. After clicking on buy, select the one that you want between these two. Then after selecting the one you want to be redirected to another page where you have to confirm your buying. Then the next step is to add the quantity. All right, so then click add to cart. Then once it's been added to cart, you can now click on view cart and check out. So now the item has been added to the cart, right? So now that it has been added, the next step is to go to your cart. It's located by the top right corner of the screen, and then click on it. Now clicking on your cart, you'll be taken to your cart's page where you would see the products that you would want to get. So now once you can see these products, the next step is to go back to the checkout page. Okay, so let's go. Let's click on the product to check out the product. So no, yeah, so this is the product. Now as you can see by the right side of the screen, you can see the order summary. Currently you can see that there is no option of you requesting a quote. It is because this store has not enabled the price quote feature. All right, so you have to check for you to want to request a quote. You have to check if the store has enabled the product. Not all store enabled the feature of requesting a quote, but by the time you move to the right side of the screen, if you see the option there, just click on it, and by the time you click on it, a quote would be requested, and then you will be asked to submit your or send your quote request to the seller, and then you receive a response from the store within 3 business days. All right, so that is it. That's how it works. This is how you can request a quote on Bricklink. But like I said earlier, not all store allows this, so you have to check for the store that allows this feature. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.